Welcome all in SV Union High School and Junior College. Today we are going to see Standard 7 Subject Computer. In this lesson number 4, Qbasic looping statements used when we doing the programming. In this chapter we are going to see 4 loops are there. First one is for next loop. Second one is while end loop. Third one is do loop, and fourth one is how to stop a loop by using exit command. First we will see what is meant by loop. A loop is used to repeat a block of statements a certain number of times. It means that by using a loop we can do whatever the work that we have to show repeatedly with any formula, or the same work we want to show repeatedly by using computer language, then we used loop. Loop also called as iterative statements. It means it will repeat again and again whatever the statements are there, that will be executed again and again till the condition get false. By using these conditions we can get work done by using a computer. Such statements repeat again and again as long as the condition is true. Means whatever the condition we are giving in a loop, when the condition is true, then that loop get executed again and again. Condition get checked, and when it is coming true, it means that conditions get satisfied. Then whatever the statements downside or whatever the answers we have to write or we have to show, that computer will show it by using this condition. And once condition get false or that condition not get satisfied, then loop will stop. Then computer will stop to display whatever we want to display on the screen. There are 2 types of loops. First one is fixed loop, that iterates a fixed number of times. It means it get repeated a fixed number of times, and the variable loop is repeated till the condition is satisfied. It means that as per the condition, variable loop will get executed. Now we are going to see for next loop. The format or syntax of for next loop is as follows. First we have to write for, then counter is equal to start value to end value, then we can write step, then the increment value, then we can write the statements, whatever calculation over there that we can write, and then last we have to write next, and in front of next we have to write that counter. It means that by using counter or by using any variable, we can give a start value and end value like a condition, and in that period that will be get displayed on the screen. Whatever we want to write in between for and next, that 2 words, that statements is called as loop body. Now we are going to see For next loop examples one by one. Example 1 is about fixed loop. In front of a for we can see count is equal to 1 to 5. This is a fixed numbers that is given from 1 to 5. For that we have to type, or computer will type SVU on the screen. Then in front of next count is given, so it will increase count value by 1 at each loop when it get executed. So like this 5 times computer will display. When the count will become 6, then that loop get terminated. You can see the output on the right hand side, that SP union get printed 5 times, get displayed 5 times. For that we have to write condition and the loop body like a left side. The second example of for next loop is given over here. Here we have to type table of 2. For that we have to give the condition. According to that condition, computer will type table of 2. See now how the condition is given. For a is equal to 2 to 20, it means start value is 2, end value is 20. In between that values, step 2, it means we have to increase the value by 2 when it get printed each time. Then we have to print a, means whatever the value of a, first it is 2, then in front of next we have to write a, it means it will increase the value of a by 1 and it will get checked that it is between that 2 and 20. If it is in between the 2 and 20, then again that 2 get will increased by the 2, then it becomes 4 and it will get printed. Then again value get increased and it will get checked, is it in between 2 and 20, then again that 4 will get increased by 2 and the 6 will get printed. In this way full table will get printed till 20. Then when the value becomes 21, then it will check from that 2 to 20 numbers, then that value is bigger than that 2 to 20 numbers. That time loop will get stopped and printing will get stopped by the computer. Now we are going to see while and end loop. The format or syntax of while and end loop is as follows. We have to write while, then we have to specify the condition, then whatever we want to display that we have to write after that condition, and at last we have to write end, means w end, it means while end. Whatever the statement we going to write in between while and end is called as loop body. Now we are going to see examples of while and loop. First example, here first value is given 20. When that value is 20, that time they will check the condition as a is greater than 2. When that value of a is greater than 2, then it will get printed, so 20 will get printed. Then value of a get subtracted by 2, then it will become 18. Then again it will check in the condition, is it greater than 2? If it is yes, then it will get printed. Again like this till 2, they will check and they will print. When the value of a becomes 0, and it will check by that condition and the condition get false, that time loop will get stopped and printing will get stopped. Here you can see the starting value is 20, that's why in the reverse order the table is coming. So first 20 is coming, then 18, then 16, then 14, like this till 2. So when we want to type table in a reverse order, like this condition we have to give, and like this starting value we have to give. Now we are going to see second example of while loop. Now in this example you can see the output first. Table of 2 is coming in a proper way, 2, 4, 6, then till 20. For that we have to give the condition and the starting value properly. When we give the starting value a is equal to 2 and the condition in front of while statement, while 20 is greater than a, means when the value of a is less than 20, then value of a get printed, then value of a get increased by 2, then again it will check with 20. If it is less than 20, then again next value get printed, means 4 will get printed, then again 2 will get increased in this, and then again a will checked with the 20 till to print 20. It will get checked, and when the value becomes 22, then that loop get terminated. In this way we can type table of 2 or any number by using while loop. Now the last one loop that we are going to see, that loop is do loop. In this loop we can use while and until, these two words. For condition, means in front of condition we can use these two words. You can see in the loop after this do while get used. It is used at the start of this loop. In the next program it will get used at the end of the loop. Now this program is about the table of 2. Initial value of a is 2, then condition is given a is less than 20 till we have to print, and value of a will get increased by 2 at each time. Then the table of 2 will get printed on the screen. Now in this example you can see we used while at the last of the loop. You can see after loop while get used, and then the condition is given. In the previous program while get used at the start of the loop, so here we can use it at the end of the loop also. Here also the same program is given for printing table of 2. Just we used while at the start and the end, then remaining part is same. Now we are going to see do loop by using until word. This until word we can use at the start of the loop and at the end of the loop, like a while word. You can see here after do until get used, until a is equal to 20, whatever the condition that we can give over there, then whatever we want to print, that we can print with the calculation or without the calculation, then it will get printed on the screen. Here we printed table of 2 on the screen by using do loop. Now we are going to see stopping a loop by using exit command. We can stop any loop in between by using exit command where we want to stop. For that we have to give condition, then it will get stopped. Here you can see for next loop get used. Here we are going to type table of 2 but one condition is given. If value of a becomes 10, then exit for. It means that when 10 value get printed of table 2, then this computer will stop the printing of table of 2. It means that we can stop any loop in between the output. Thank you very much for watching this video.